Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the refreshing and healthy world of raw mango juice. Benefit number 1, it's packed with vitamin C boosting your immune system. Raw mango aids digestion, especially during hot weather. It's a great source of electrolytes, preventing dehydration. This juice can improve liver health and detoxify your body. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage. So grab some raw mangoes and enjoy this delicious and healthy drink. Learn everything you need to know about raw mango juice. We'll explore its benefits for digestion, immunity, skin health, and more. Get tips on how to make the perfect Aam Panna and incorporate it into your daily routine. Taking a deep dive into the nutritional powerhouse that is raw mango juice or Aam Panna. Let's start with digestion. Raw mangoes contain enzymes that aid in breaking down food, preventing indigestion and acidity. During summer, our bodies lose electrolytes. Raw mango juice replenishes these, keeping us hydrated and energized. The high vitamin C content strengthens our immune system, protecting us from infections. Raw mangoes are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect our cells from free radical damage. Beat the summer heat with raw mango juice. We're focusing on its incredible benefits for digestion and hydration. Discover why it's the perfect summer drink. Summer is here, and staying hydrated and maintaining good digestion is crucial. That's where raw mango juice comes in. Raw mangoes have a cooling effect on the body, making them ideal for hot weather. They stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, which helps break down food and prevent bloating. The electrolytes in raw mango juice, like potassium, help maintain fluid balance and prevent dehydration. It's a natural remedy for heat stroke and sunstroke. Add a pinch of black salt and roasted cumin for enhanced digestive benefits. Enjoy this refreshing drink to keep your digestive system happy and your body hydrated this summer. Key elements to include in your video: visuals of raw mangoes juice preparation and the finished drink. Clear and concise explanations of the benefits. Recipe demonstration optional. Tips for consumption and potentia. Raw mango juice refreshing and tangy Aam Panna recipe. How to make raw mango juice, Jaggery juice summer cooler. Instant raw mango juice healthy and easy recipe. Aam Panna recipe, traditional raw mango drink for summer. I'll show you how to make a delicious and refreshing raw mango juice, also known as Aam Panna or Jaggery juice. This traditional Indian summer drink is perfect for beating the heat and is packed with health benefits. In this video, you'll learn how to select the best raw mangoes, step-by-step instructions for making raw mango juice, tips for adding spices and sweeteners, variations of the recipe, health benefits of raw mango juice. Ingredients: raw mangoes, Jaggery, water, sugar or jaggery optional, roasted cumin powder, black salt, mint leaves optional, black pepper optional. Instructions: provide a summarized version of your steps here. For example, boil or roast the raw mangoes until soft. Peel and extract the pulp. Blend the pulp with water, spices, and sweetener. Strain and chill the juice. Garnish with mint leaves and serve. Health benefits: raw mango juice is known for its cooling properties. Digestive benefits: